Are you watching my vlog?
Brightness.
What
What are you doing?
I'm going over these internet facts about outfits, just in case something.
Brightness. I don't know how to get to brightness through the settings. It's too much work. Shut up.
It's
Correct.
no problem.
Siri
Brightness.
Here's what I found.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the next vlog. Today's vlog is quite exciting. We are going car shopping today. We've been in Canada for what, 5 years now, and never really felt the need for having a car. We lived close to two subway stations, and it just never felt like we needed a car. But now, with the pandemic, things have completely changed. Our mobility is completely curbed, of course. People are taking public transport, but I'm not exactly comfortable taking that risk at this point. So we're gonna go check out a few used car dealerships. Obviously, not buying a new car. I just don't want to get into a whole monthly payment business. Just want to get a decent, certified pre-owned car, just something that runs. And yeah, definitely not buying a new car. Thank you, Dave Ramsey. a big day for sure, and I'm quite excited. Don't want to make too many pit stops, so we're packing some food for the road. Okay, and that's our sanitization kit for the way. Not a sanitization kit, protective kit. We've got a bunch of masks, bunch of gloves,
Bunch of snacks.
sanitizer. I told them about the snacks, which I'm going to show them now. This too. Forgot about this. But yeah, the spray. First up, leftover yellow pulao. And then cucumber, tomato, chutney, cream cheese sandwiches. So we started the day with some groceries, of course, because we picked up the car, might as well get some food. And now we're off to our first dealership to look at 3 cars: Nissan Versa, Civic, and another one which I cannot remember. So I just saw an H sign and I thought it was Honda. Turns out it was a hospital.
That is so terrible. How did you pass your G1?
I have a G, so shut it. Here, okay, can you look at this? Take a look at this. Doesn't this look like a Honda sign?
No, it doesn't. It looks like an H for hospital on a blue background.
Oh, listen, look at that. Thank you, healthcare workers.
Aww.
But listen, in my defense, I think we're just ready for a car. So any H that I see, Hastings could also be Honda.
H, you mean?
H.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to the second dealership. Not super impressed with what we saw in the first one. We did like one car, so it's an option.
That's it, right? Let's go it.
So overall, it was a very below par day as far as the car shopping is concerned. We saw 5 dealerships, 5 used car dealerships, and our budget is nothing more than $6,000. We don't want to get into the monthly payment system like I mentioned, and there was just nothing out there. But the highlight of the day though was this place called Gorad's Auto, this one. And I actually booked an appointment with them last week, and I told them my budget. I told them the budget was low. They still reached out. They followed up almost thrice, and then we went there and we met David. He took us around, showed us the inventory that they had. Although we couldn't find anything in our budget at that showroom, I was floored by how good their service was. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Thank you. Like I said, although we didn't have an amazing car shopping day, haven't given up hope. I'm sure there's a good car out there for us in a limited budget. We are still looking at a few other leads, and I'll keep you posted on this exciting journey of ours. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Stay tuned, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye. Why can't you get brightness, Shreya?
Because
Shreya-
you would shut up. Brightness.
Sorry, I'm still not sure about that.
Yeah, no, seriously. Now I won't do anything now.
Brightness.
Here you go.
That's all I needed.